try to talk to, I will destroy tracks. So I hate to sit back and watch me stack stats and intimidate Shaq. You talk smack about Maddie B raps, I'ma deploy this where my B-girls at. I'm the boy that brought B-boys back. Try to beef on this, sink your teeth on that. I'm the kid that can grow me mad. See my flow go so next here while you rapping flag. I'm a solo show this rap. I'm a Macy's parade while you float on fast. Grown ups having powwows now, cause they really wanna be a little bow wow dad. You can't manufacture that, only capture that. I got my cap turned backwards. Tonight, all you haters on black. As long as you talk trash, we can play last lap.
Tearing these bars apart, so talk all that you want. B-boys and girls are stars.
We are who we are.
We always having fun. We setting trends a ton. We dance until we're done. B-boys and girls are stars.
We are who we are. My fans are off the chain, but all these people wanna do is find something to hate, and so they call me names and accuse my parents of chasing fame. Is that the best you got? You got lame. I'd studio and get it. You just mad at the fact that you didn't. Don't know how to step off and get with it. I'm in the 8, 6, 7, 8 digits. This is my usual rap, but when I'm under attack, I'm not afraid to bounce back with lyrical fact. There hasn't ever been a kid my age with this flow. No 7-year-old to stop, then go. Haters wanna claim that there's nothing to it. Prove it then, since you can do it. Beast mode and the whole world gon' hear me. Knock knock.
Who's that
Going hard. Tearing these bars apart. So talk all that you want. B-boys and girls are stars.
We are who we are.
We always having fun. We setting trends a ton. We dance until we're done. B-boys and girls are stars.
We are who we are.